Hello everybody, I'm here to introduce you a new software I did. Here you can see the folder of the project. Here I was put a shortcut. It's not interesting for you, it's something to be more easy to find my models, which are for you can download on CVTay. So you have many files. Here you have a folder resultat. Here you have a noise image. You can replace by any other noise image you want. The software and a script. We will see how to use. To use the software, you need to write in your console Python 3 to start it. Generator. After you have to add a parameter which will be the path to your stable diffusion model. So here I have my shortcut models and I will use deliberate. As you see, I select model deliberate to save tensor. There. After you must wait that it starts. Can be slow because it needs a lot of time. Then the neural network is uploaded on the memory. Here we are, so you have this window open. This is the software. By default it starts with this image, but you can load any other image you want to start from with load option and select your picture. I will reselect the same one. So this is an image to image picture. I was do this because in the stable diffusion GUI I was feel that it missed something to do my picture as I want. So by this I can start with a prompt. So for example I will write I don't know, beautiful castle in the mountain. The prompt, I don't know, so this is a prompt of what you want, this is what you don't want. The number of step, actually I will put a lot of step. The strong ratio, I will put a height 1 to 4.7. Scale guidance, it's how much you want, it follows the instruction, I will leave it to 5. Here you have many buttons, you will see. So if I click on next, it will do one step of my transformation. I click on next, I'm waiting that it do the calculation. Here I have my how it was evolved. I can come back by if I push back, and I came back to next with back to next. Here you see. I could also generate do like this step 10 times. If I click on next 10 times, and now we'll do 10-1. It can be interesting for you to keep an eye on your console to see if everything happened good. Here we see that he is calculating the 10 image. The resolution of the image will be the same resolution as the image you was chosen at the beginning. Here we go. 10, it's a lot. Here now we have this, and the interest of this software is that you can change it, come back, see. You see, for example, I can see the different step he was do. I have all my historic. So for example, if here there is 2 castle, after some time I don't like it so much, so I want to come back here, so I can come back here, and I can change the instruction. I can say that I want a day, time, but that time I want that it don't change so much fast, so I will put 0.4 here, and probably only 10 step. And now I click again on next. And I wait up, it will start the transformation. I can do next again, next again. The daytime is slow to come. I will say that I don't want fog, and I want blue sky. The roof turned blue. So here I see that it's not so. Here I have a beginning of blue sky appear, but I was lose my castle. so I can come back again to try to understand what was happened. Sorry, back is here. Here my nice castle. So blue sky, I will keep it, and I will put more step, 20 for example, and if I do next, what's happened? Nah, not so much what I wanted. Next. Well, at least it's blue. I don't know how you say this in raining, maybe. Blue sky, sky. Next. That's pretty hard. So let's say I will add some character. For example, I can write here people. I will come back to 5. I can put 6. You have to try many parameters. I'm not an expert. That's too much fast. So I come back. I put 0.2. I put 10. Next. Here I keep my castle, and here I have my new character coming, etc, etc, etc. So you see the philosophy, you have all your evolution of what you do, what you try. You see you keep even if you was recalculate, and after you can recalculate again if I would do 10 again, etc. So you have your path of designing, you change, you try, you come back, you do again, very easily. What is interesting also, if I put this on the border, if I go here in the resulta folder, here I have all my actual historical. No, it's too much little, but if I continue to play a lot, I don't know, if I keep my people, I put 0.4, so it will look like nothing, but if I say that I want 100, it will need to wait some time. Here we are, so this is the final image it was do. I do anything, you can see, I can move, I can continue, I could restart to calculate, change things, try to see alternative, but this is not what is the most interesting for us. I could want to save an image. For this I just need to stay on the image I am, I click on save, I give a file name, and after that will save it. But the most interesting here is not this, it's about, I don't here in the result I have all my image, what it was produced, and here I have a little script, so I will need to exit it finally. Here I have a little script, compile. I don't know if you know about the software FFmpeg. Here I will put it on 24. Here it permits you to produce a video from all the images you was do. So I just need to do /compile, and it was produce the video. And now I can open this video. So I don't know if you will see it good. And it show all the process you was do in video, as you see. Here it's short, but you can do much longer video, and I was using it already to do some experiments and videos I produce. This is not finished. There is one more thing I need to show. Oh, imagine we have two files like this, resulta prompt, which if I open it in here, it's prompt with parameters. And as you can see, the parameters can change with the time. Sometimes there is more mass on one, on some others, etc. As you can see here, plus, etc. And each line is an image. And me, what I want is to produce one image by line, like this, and like this I can do a video with. I can use these files. So for example, if I reopen my application, I choose again deliberate, I must wait. Here I will delete all this. Now I have my software. So what I can do is here write the path to the file. So I will write resultat prompt, and here resultat anti prompt. Don't need to forget the point txt. Here, for example, I will put, I don't know, 0.4, 0.5. And now what I can do is click on here, by file, and you will do as if I was change by for every line the prompt and the anti-prompt, and click on next, and you will do this for all the line of the file. So I click, and here we go, as you see under. Here we go, and it will follow my folder. So now you have all the image here have been generated from the file, and you can do again the same as before. If I exit my application, well, I can also move inside, see what was happened. Here I can do again the compilation, overwrite here, and it's more slow because there is much more image. And here I have again a new kind of video. What is the interest to do this? This you will see in another software which permit to generate this list of prompts to apply depending to music. I will introduce you this in another software. It's all about this software I was showed to you to manage the images. I join you in the description of the video the link to the Git project. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.